The story of an industry or the story of a multinational corporation, but a story of a man. Jonathan Raban, a British novelist, once wrote, "In an underdeveloped country, do not drink the water, and in a developed country, do not breathe the air. It is around us, above us, and within us." Our guest today, John McGlade, Chairman, President, and CEO of Air Products, is in the air business, and his job is what some may describe as creating value out of thin air. Founded almost seven decades ago in 1940, Air Products introduced a simple yet revolutionary concept of selling air or industrial gases. Since then, it grew to become a global supplier of gases and chemicals. Air Products is recognized for its innovative culture, operational excellence, and commitment to safety and the environment. With annual revenues of $10.4 billion and operations in more than 40 countries, Air Products' 21,000 employees create unique environment, innovative and passionate, and a unique managerial challenge. The company is ranked 256 in total assets among Fortune Top 500 magazine, and Luigi and me are humbled and honored to introduce you with Mr. McGlade.
There we go. This morning we would like to present Mr. John McGlade. He is native of Lehigh Valley. He graduated from Lehigh in 1976 with his Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering and earned his MBA in 1980. John McGlade joined Air Products in 1976 as a participant in the company's career development program. He subsequently held various positions within the Industrial Gases Division, including both domestic and international assignments. He was named Vice President and General Manager for the Chemical and Process Industry and Energy System Division in 1998, and after 3 years in the Performance Material Division. In 2003, he became Group Vice President of Chemical Group, in which he had global responsibility for the group. Mr. McGlade was appointed as President and COO in 2006, and President and CEO in October 2007, and Chairman of the Board in April 2008. In this role, he focuses on setting Air Products strategy and policies, developing leadership, and meeting shareholder commitments. Also, he serves on the Board of Directors of American Chemistry Council as a member of the Society of Chemical Industry Executive Committee. He is a member of the Board of Trustees for Lehigh, a member of the Steel Structure Leadership Team.
Thank you.
Good job, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning.